My dear children, today in this third module, we are going to learn about the term gaining ratio. Gaining ratio is the ratio in which the gaining partners take the profit share of retiring partner. That is, the ratio in which their profits share increases in the firm. Gaining ratio is calculated because the gaining partner or partners compensate the retiring partner by paying goodwill. Gaining ratio is calculated under the following three situations. First case is when the information is not given or agreement does not exist. Then second case is when new profit sharing ratio is given. And the third case is when the retiring partner's profit share is taken by the remaining or continuing partners at a specified ratio. Let's now discuss each of the above situation in detail. The first case is when the information is not given or when agreement does not exist. In this case, in the absence of an agreement, it is assumed that after retirement of a partner, remaining partners will continue to share the profits in the same ratio in which they shared profits before the retirement of the partner. Thus, in effect, the continuing partners gain profits share of outgoing partner in their old profit sharing ratio. In this situation, profit sharing ratio in their gaining ratio. Now we are going to solve one problem. Suppose A, B and C were partners sharing the profits in the ratio of 3:2:1. Find the gaining ratio. When A retires. Since new profit sharing ratio of the remaining partners is not given, gaining to the remaining partners is in their old ratio. When A retires, gain to B and C is in 2:1 ratio. Then another example, when same problem, that is A, B and C are partners sharing the profits in the ratio 3:2:1. Find the gaining ratio when B retires. Since the new profit sharing ratio of the remaining partners is not given, gain to the remaining partners in their old ratio. When B retires, gain to A and C in the ratio 3:1. Then when C retires, since the new profit sharing ratio of the remaining partners is not given, the gain to the remaining partners in their old ratio. When C retires, gain to A and B in the ratio 3:2. Then the second situation is when the new profit sharing ratio is given. In that case, if the new profit sharing ratio among the remaining partners is given, gaining ratio will be different. In this case, gain of each continuing partner is calculated by deducting his old share of profit from his new share of profit. That is, gain of a new partner equal to, or gain of a continuing partner equal to new profit share minus old profit share. Now I am going to give one example. A, B and C are partners sharing the profits in the ratio of 1/2, 3/10 and 1/5. Suppose B retires from the firm and A and C agree to share the future profits in the ratio of 3:2. Calculate gaining ratio. In this problem, new profit sharing ratio equal to 3/5 is to 2/5. Then old profit share equal to 1/2 is to 1/5. Then with the help of this information, we are going to calculate the gaining ratio. Gaining ratio equal to new profit share minus old profit share. That is, in the case of A, gaining ratio equal to 3/5 minus 1/2, that is 1/10. In the case of B, 2/5 minus 1/5, that is 2/10. Therefore, the gaining ratio equal to 1 by 10 is to 2 by 10. That is 1 is to 2. Next, the third case or third situation is when the retiring partner's profit share is taken by the remaining or continuing partners in a specified ratio. Gaining share of the each remaining or continuing partner is calculated giving effect to the agreement, that is percentage share taken from the outgoing partner's share. The profit share gained is added to the existing profit share of the each remaining or continuing partner to determine his new profit share. New profit share equal to old profit share plus gained profit share. Now we are going to solve one problem. C, M and A are the partners sharing the profits in the ratio of 4:3:2. Mr. A retires from the business. Mr. C acquires 4 by 9 of A's share and balance is acquired by M. Calculate new profit sharing ratio and gaining ratio. My dear children, how can you calculate new profit sharing ratio? A's profit share is 2 by 9. C acquires 4 by 9 of 2 by 9, that is 8 by 81. Remaining profit share equal to 2 by 9 minus 8 by 81, that is 10 by 81. This portion is acquired by Mr. M. Therefore, the gaining ratio of C and M equal to 8 by 81 is to 10 by 81, that is 8 by 10. The lowest form of 8:10 equal to 4:5. This new profit share of C and M will be C equal to 4 by 9 plus 8 by 81, that is 44 divided by 81. Then M's share equal to 3 by 9 plus 10 by 81, that is 37 divided by 81. Therefore, the new profit sharing ratio of C and M will be 44:37.